friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a picture from your computer into your Google Chrome. So let me show you what I mean. If I go ahead and open up my Google Chrome here, you can see I have different accounts or different profiles with different pictures, right? And as well, if I go ahead and open one of them, let's take this one as an example. If I go ahead and open that, you can see that when I go ahead and look to the upper right hand side of my Chrome, there is an image. If I click on that, you can see the image, and as well you can see that it shows here under my Google. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how that works. So I'm going to open up another account and show you. So if I go ahead and open up, for example, this one here, that it will not do any harm, right? You will see that I also have a picture there in the upper right. It says hi Andrew, and it shows my picture and so forth. Now in order to change this, and so that you can have something that look like this and it also shows on the upper right hand side of your Google Chrome profile, you want to go ahead and head over to google.com and simply go into your Gmail. Now once you're inside your Gmail, guys, you will see your profile picture on the upper right hand side. Simple click your profile picture and you will have the option that shows edit over your profile. So you click on that and it's going to take you where you can easily find your picture. Now you can simply click on change and select from computer, then go ahead and upload and find something from your file explorer on your computer, and you can choose that picture and just simply open. And once you open that picture, guys, you'll be able to easily adjust the picture and basically add it. Now once that picture is added, right, all you have to do, it will now become visible on the upper right hand side. Then what you want to do is that ensure that you sign into your Google Chrome. It will automatically shows up because your account is actually signed in. But if you want to have it looking like myself here, I would recommend that you go ahead and add that account into Google Chrome over. So once you open up your Google Chrome, you want to click on add and then enter your email address. So click sign in, and you want to enter your Google account credentials and sign in, follow the steps and sign in to your Google account. And once you do that, it's going to detect your image, it's going to detect everything. And once you open up Google Chrome, you will see that you have your account added with your picture here, and you can basically click on that. And once you open up your Google Chrome as well, the profile on the upper right hand side will shows that you have your picture there, and you can view it, and you can also see the same for your Google account when you go to Google as well. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.